Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. Today we are going to be making oats milk, creamy and easy to put together. So sit back, relax and watch me do this. Do not forget to like, comment and also share. Thank you. So to make this milk, we'll be using rolled oats, not quick oats. I'm going to be measuring out 1 cup and we're going to soak in room temperature water for a minimum of 20 minutes. This is very important so as to ensure that the milk does not end up being slimy. So I'll soak, cover and leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, now time to strain. I actually poured water over that, but I didn't catch that on camera. Next, transfer everything into a blender. To the 1 cup of rolled oats, we are going to be adding 700 ml of cold water, not room temperature, cold water. Because as you blend, the blender becomes hot and that can make the cocoa oats cook and then it becomes slimy. So to prevent that, I'm using cold water and also adding 2 ice cubes. If you don't have ice cubes, just make sure you're using cold water from the fridge. To flavor the milk, I just added some dash or drops of vanilla essence. Now we are blending. I love oat milk because it is healthy, it's dairy free as well. So if you are lactose intolerant, this will be a very good option for you. It's also low in fat. So for those on a weight loss journey like me, this is a very good option. It's quite very easy to make at home and very affordable. So after blending, you don't have to blend and blend, because we've soaked it already. It's quite very easy. 2 minutes, under 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's all done. Time for us to strain. I'm using a nutmeg bag. You can use your musli bag or so to strain it out. You don't have to strain twice, just once and then you have your milk. Easy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Follow the page for more recipes. I'd like to have you as part of my family. And please share to family and friends. Invite them all to come be a part of our family by following the page. Thank you. So that's the plum we have left over. You don't have to throw this away. You can use it to make cookies as well. So very easy to make a non-slimy oat milk, and this can last for 3 days, 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. So I'll just put that into a glass jar. If you do try this out or if it's something you would try, I'd like to hear from you guys in the comment section. Please, the video should be given a thumbs up. Thank you. This will be all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.